Howdy guys, welcome to the cave. I'm Mark, and you're watching Blue Street Customs. Okay guys, today we're putting the plaster on the walls, inside and out. Also, we're going to do the floors and the stairs on the outside. So stay tuned. I'm going to get my stuff. I'll be right back. Okay guys, got some plaster, got my water, mixing stuff. We're going to start putting plaster inside these walls to give it that nice little plaster texture. So of course, some of this up. Now you're going to want this fairly runny to make it easy to get in there. If it's too thick, well, it's going to be too hard to pour in. Okay, here we go. Got it all mixed up. So, like I said, putting it in here. Now, of course, by doing it this way, you only do one side at a time. Now, I got to kind of work somewhat quickly here. So there we go. We got that side done. So, since I can't flip it over and do the other side, I'm trying to show you here. So I got that side in. I'm going to wipe down the wood a bit, but you can always do that after the. I'm going to try and put some in up in here, since we can't flip it over to the other side. So of course I got myself a little bit of a wet rag here. I'm just going to put some on top, like so. So as this dries, you'll be able to wipe this down better. The rock, you don't have to worry about too much. You can dig out in the rock grooves a little bit to make the rock a little more pronounced. So I'm going to finish up this one, and then I'll be back. Hey guys, well, I let this stuff dry, but I also tried something different because I really didn't like the way this stuff was working, or the way I was applying it. So as you can see, we got that stuff in there, and of course it's messy. It's all over the wood. I'm having a hard time cleaning the wood. I figured it'd be a lot easier to get it off. Same thing on the stone. Very hard to clean off. I gotta go back, clean up their wood as much as I can, try to clean it up. So what I did is what I tried to do. I took one of these pipettes, took some of the plaster, and I watered it down a lot. So I could suck it up through the tiny little hole, whatever. It worked. Then I went and did this one using the pipette. Got down easy inside the cracks. Obviously you can see that it's a hell of a lot cleaner than that. So I suggest, you can do it this way, but I'm going to suggest, if you're doing this, water down the plaster a lot. Get yourself some sort of eyedropper or pipettes or something. These things are cheap from Amazon. They're like maybe $5 for like 100 of them. Very cheap. So now when I do this side, when I do this wall, and up in here, or any of the rest of the walls, that's the way I'm going to do it. And to me, it is a lot better, works a lot better. I suggest this way. I also went ahead and covered the fireplace, so that will sit in here. Now obviously I'm going to have to trim it back a little bit in some spots so it fits down, but I got that mainly covered. I'll do that after I've got this plaster and the walls and everything done. I'll do the fireplace last. So I'm going to continue on. I'll get the rest of this stuff done, dried, and when that's all done, I'll come back and I'll show you how I'm going to do the floor. Alright guys, all my stone is done for now. Now I tried to clean this up as much as I could. I'll have to go back and touch a lot of stuff up. But I went ahead and cut out all my boards for inside on my floor, my middle wall, intermediate. So I'm going to get these in there. Once those are in there, then I'll do the stairs. And that'll probably be it for this video. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to throw a couple things in there just to help keep it down, weight it down. So when that dries, I'll be back. We'll do the stairs. Okay, guys, last step for me to do, I'm going to put these stairs on. But before I do, I'm going to paint in here black so that when you see through the stairs, you don't see anything but blackness. So I'm going to get the paintbrush out and the paint. Get that done, and then we'll start gluing on the stair boards. There you go. I'm going to let this dry, and as soon as it's dry, start the decking. Okay, all good and dry. All I'm going to do, measure it out, cut it, glue them down. So I'm going to grab some glue. We're going to glue this down. I'll be right back. Stairs are done, floor is done, walls are done. Next, painting. But you'll have to stay tuned for the next video for that. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so that you can see next videos. Also check me out on Instagram at Blue Street Customs. And check me out on Facebook. So until then, later.